Hello everyone, this is Rave Salvadore, host of eTech 565 A3 Forecasted app. In today's episode, I'll be looking at how to tweak already existing solutions in peer tutoring apps to fit a Canadian high school context. Despite the existence of apps like Sesh and Study3, there appears to be a gap in the app market in terms of serving the needs of high school students, Canadian high school students in particular. Across the province, students are mandated to complete 25 to 40 hours of community service and as much as 100 hours in specialized programs. Recent articles show that in fact the competition is so high that students are having difficulty finding positions to volunteer in and are thus struggling to complete the time before high school graduation. The peer tutoring app being proposed will fill a gap that is twofold. First, it will provide high school students with peer tutors for free, and secondly, it will pay the peer tutors in terms of using their knowledge as a currency. It combines the models of Sesh and Study3 by selling the app to school boards and institutions, while allowing students to have peer tutoring access at their own convenience. Here's how it works. Students will log in using their school or email account for safety reasons, and will be tracked by their student number. As in the case of Sesh, potential tutors must submit their transcripts to the school through the app. Once the school approves the tutor, they are now logged into the school guidance database as volunteers for the community. Every time a potential student uses the app for help, they need to input an estimated amount of time they will need a tutor. The tutor meets the student at an agreed upon location and time and helps them. The tutor logs into the session both before and after. That way, their time is kept logged in by date, time, and amount of time spent per session. After each session, students are encouraged to close the ticket and evaluate the tutor with a 5-point star rating scale. Good ratings will push tutors to the top of the list, while poor ratings will have a converse effect with an eventual discharge from the tutor list. In this manner, peer evaluation will force tutors to help students to their full potential. The app overcomes the knowledge gap experienced by many high school students through a peer tutor, and also gives students an opportunity to rack up volunteer hours while helping their peers and thus using their knowledge as a currency.